25. Without government intervention, this market will produce blank units at a price of blank. So this is marginal social benefit, and so where it crosses supply, this is optimal. But that will not be produced because people don't factor in external benefits when they do stuff. So, I mean, this is particularly, prominent right now with vaccines, in the idea that vaccines don't just benefit you, but they also benefit society as a whole. Though the way the current ones are working is a whole other issue. But the idea here is that without government intervention, we produce here, right? And so the answer is Q1 P2. Because there's no incentive for people to consume more, even though it would be beneficial to the people as a whole.